Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Testing Learner. So today we will learn the Fibonacci series program in Java. Okay. So in this video we will understand what is Fibonacci series, how Fibonacci logic works, and how to write a Java program to generate Fibonacci numbers. Okay. Let's see what is the Fibonacci series. So the Fibonacci series is a sequence of numbers where the first number is 0 and the second number is 1. Okay. And every next number is the sum of the previous two numbers. That means these are two numbers, 0 and 1. And the sum of these two numbers is 0 plus 1, which is 1. The next number is 1. Okay, and the next number is the sum of previous two, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. And the next number is sum of previous two numbers, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, and the next number is sum of these two numbers, which is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, and next number is 3 plus 5, which is 8. And the next number is 5 plus 8, which is 13. Okay, like this. Next number is 8 plus 13, which is 21. Okay. So the Fibonacci series is a sequence of numbers where first number is 0 and 1, and the next number is the sum of, and the next number is the sum of previous two numbers. Okay. These two numbers sum, and then these two numbers sum is this, like that. Okay. So now let's see how can we get this Fibonacci series in Java program. Okay. Yeah, let's try to write the program. So I'm declaring two variables to store the Fibonacci series. So first variable I'll define it as int a is equals to 0. So the Fibonacci series number will start from 0, and then I will take one more variable and I'll define one more value which is b is equals to 1. And then I have to define one more variable which is sum. Why? Because we have to sum two numbers. So I'll declare it as 0. So I have defined three variables totally here. Okay. Now I'll print these two variables, which is a and then b. Okay. I'm just giving spaces here for clear output. Okay. Now I'm using a for loop to generate the series here. Okay. We have first two values and I wanted to get further values also, right? So for to generate the series, I'm using the for loop. So for will initialize the value from 2 because I have already taken 0 and 1. I have already initialized the value 0 and 1. Right now we'll take the for loop in value as 2. For loop the I value as 2. Okay. Now I less than. So here we have to define a number. So we'll write the number in which till what uh, till how many numbers we need in the series. Okay. So for that I'll be taking here till 10. That means this loop will iterate until this expression will becomes false. Until this I value will become 10, so this will become false and then it will come out of this for loop. Okay. Now I'll increment this value. Okay. Now we'll write some one statement. Sum is equals to a plus b. Okay. And then we'll print the sum value. Okay, what will happen here? So a value is 0 and b value is 1. So what is the sum? Sum will be 0 plus 1, which is 1. Right? Now we'll interchange the values from a to b and b to sum. A to b. That means b value will get assigned to a and then sum value will get assigned to b. Okay. So now what is the value of b here? B is 1. So that means B is 1 and 1 will get assigned to A. And what is the value of sum? Sum is also 1. So 1 will get assigned to B. That means value will be 1. So now A is 1 and B is also 1. Now it will go to the for loop. Okay. So now what is the value of I? 2. So now I value is 2. So 2 is less than 10, which is true. So this loop will get iterated 0 plus 1. So the sum will get print as 1 and b value is 1 and it will get assigned to 0. It will get assigned to a and some value is 1. It will get assigned to b. So now I value will get increment here. So 2 plus 1. Okay. Which is 3. 3 less than 10 which is true. Now it will come to this statement. So here what is the value of a? A value is 1. And what is the value of b? B value also 1. So it will return 1. 2, sorry. So 2. So sum will become 2 here. It will print 2. Now, what is the value of b now? B value is again 1, right? It will get assigned to a. Now, what is the value of sum? Sum is 2. So 2 will get assigned to b. So what is the value of b here? 2. Okay, now again it will go to this for loop. The I value will get increment here. So which is 3 plus 1. I value is 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 4 is less than 10, which is true. It will come inside this loop. And what is the value of A? A value is 1. And what is the value of B? B value is 2. So 1 plus 2, which is 3. So it will print the sum here. 1 plus 2, which is 3. Sum is 3. Okay. Now the values will get interchanged here. So what is the value of B? 2. 2 will get assigned to A. Okay, A value is 2. What is the value of sum? Sum is 3, right? Here sum is 3. So 3 is assigned to B. So value of B is 3. Now again it will go to this. So value will get increment by 1. So 4 plus 1, which is 5. 5 is less than 10, which is true again. So it will come inside this for loop. Now what is the value of A? A value is 2. And what is the value of B? B value is 3. So 2 plus 3, which is 5. So it will print the sum. What is the sum? 5 here. Okay. So now the value should get interchanged here. So B. What is the value of B? B value is 3. So 3 will get assigned to A. What is the value of sum? 5. 5 will get assigned to B. So what is the value of B? 5 here. Okay. So now it will go to the for loop here. So 5. Value of I is 5. 5 plus 1, which is 6. 6 less than 10, which is true again. So what is the value of A? A value is 3 here. What is the value of B? B value is 5. So 3 plus 5, which is 8. Okay. So now it will print the sum. What value it will print? It will print A. Okay, now the value should get interchanged here. So what is the value of B? B value is 5 here, right? So 5 will get assigned to A. And what is the value of sum? 8. So 8 will assign to B. Okay. So it will go to this loop. So now what is the value of I here? I is 6, right? So it will get increment. 6 plus 1, which is 7. 7 less than 10, which is true. It will come to this loop again, inside this loop. So what is the value of A? A will become 5. What is the value of B? B will become 8. Okay. So 5 plus 8, which is 13. So it will print 13 here. Okay. So now what is the value of B? B is 8. So 8 will get assigned to A. And what is the value of sum? Sum is 13. So 13 will get assigned to B here. Now it will go again to this for loop. So what is the value of I? 7. So 7 here the value will get increment. I value will get increment here. So 7 plus 1, which is 8. So 8 less than 10, which is true again. So it will come inside this for loop. What is the value of A? A value is 8. What is the value of B? B value is 13. So 8 plus 13, which is 21. Okay. So it will print 21 here. Okay. So now what is the value of B? B value is 13 here. So 13 will get assigned to A. And what is the value of sum? Sum value is 21. So 21 will get assigned to B. So now it will go again to the for loop. Now what is the value of I here? I value is 8, right? So now 8 plus 1, which is 9. It will get increment here. So 9 less than 10. So this condition it will check. So it will return still true only. 9 less than true, which is 9 less than 10, which is true. So it will come inside this for loop. So here, what is the value of A? A value is 13. And what is the value of B? Which is 21. So what is the value here? 34. Okay, 34 it will print here. Now the value will get interchanged. So what is the value of B? B value is 21. And what is the value of sum? Sum is 34. So 21 will get assigned to A and 34 will get assigned to B. Okay, now again it will go to the loop. So the I value will get increment. What is the I value here? 9. So 9 plus 1, which is 10. So 10 is less than 10, which is false. So now it will come out of this for loop and print the Fibonacci series. It will print the values till 10. Okay, 10 digits it will print. Okay, let's execute and see. Okay, the values it has printed like this. Okay, if you want all the numbers in one single line, so just remove this ln, and here also just remove this ln. Okay, and for every digit we should give the some space, so just plus and then give double quotes here. Okay, now let's execute. Okay, so 0 plus 1, these two are A and B, and then the remaining number should be sum of the other numbers. So whatever numbers we have here, so same number it has printed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34. Okay, same numbers it has printed here also. Okay, so this is how we generate the Fibonacci series in Java using a loop. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you.